How to apply makeup styles in FaceApp. Want to glam your selfies instantly? Here's how to apply makeup styles in FaceApp for a flawless professional look. No process required. First, launch the FaceApp. Now choose a clear front-facing photo from your gallery. Now scroll to the feature options at the bottom and you can see makeup right here. Tap on makeup. Now you'll find a variety of makeup presets like natural, glam, eyelashes, lips and more, which may require the premium. We can just use the free one, this makeup. Tap on makeup and tap on winged eyeliner and apply some winged eyeliner like this. Now once you find the perfect look, tap on apply and then save the photo like this, or you can directly share it to Instagram by tapping on the share button at the top right corner, and you can share it from here on Instagram like this. And that's how you elevate your selfies with makeup styles in FaceApp. Quick, easy and stunning. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe for more tips and comment below which makeup style is your favorite. Thank you for watching.